Hello students. So today I'm going to teach you a new chapter from your book An Alien Hand. The name of the chapter is The Tiny Teacher. Okay. So this chapter is about the smallest insect, that is an ant. Okay. We will study in this chapter about their life, how intelligent they are, about their behavior. Okay. So let's get started. So, though so very small, the ant is unbelievably intelligent and hardworking. They are very small, but they are very intelligent and hardworking. But how they work hard, it is very difficult to contemplate. So, among the various kinds, the commonest ant is black or red, usually which we see every day. Ants live in comfortable homes called anthills, and their home is known as anthills. Name the smallest insect you have seen and the wisest. Is it the fly? No, it is not. Is it the mosquito? No, not the mosquito. Then it must be the worm. No, none of this. Then what? It is the ant, the commonest, the smallest, but the wisest insect. Okay? The story of an ant's life sounds almost untrue. But people have kept ants as pets and have watched their daily behavior closely. So we know a number of facts about this tiny, hardworking, and intelligent creature. So many people have kept ants as their pets and watched their daily behavior very closely and came to know about some facts about this hardworking, tiny, intelligent creature. So we will study about this. An ant uses its feelers or antennae to talk to other ants by passing messages through them. Watch a row of ants moving up or down the wall. Now, an ant uses its feelers or antennae to talk to other ants by passing messages through them. Now, what do you mean by this feelers or antennae? See in front in this picture, in front you can see two feelers, right? So the author is telling that they use these two feelers to convey messages among each other, okay, to talk. Watch a row of ants moving up or down the wall. Each ant greets all the others coming from the opposite direction by touching their feelers. So when you see, you can see always the ants climb up and down in a straight line. They don't go in a zigzag like this. They always go in a straight line. Why? Because they greet one another. They greet one another through their antennae or their feelers, okay, who comes from the opposite direction. There are many kinds of ants. The commonest among them are the black or red ones. So there are many kinds of ants, okay. We have seen them since we were children but have not paid enough attention to them. Where do they live? In their comfortable homes called nest or ant hills. So we have been seeing these ants, since our childhood, but we never paid much attention to them. Okay, where do they live? In their comfortable homes called nest or ant hills. Their home is known as ant hills or nest. Each has hundreds of little rooms and passages. Can you believe it? Such a small insects. But there are hundreds of little rooms and passages. In some of these rooms, the queen ant lay eggs. Only the queen ant lay eggs. Others are nurseries for the young ones called grubs. And nurseries are there, and very young ones. So there are some nurseries, okay, for young ones, and these young ones are called grubs. Workers have their reserved quarters. So they have workers and their quarters are different. They have reserved quarters. They spend most of their time searching for food Okay, they always search for the food. Some room serves as storehouses for this food, and the workers, when they collect bring fruit, the workers bring food and store, in a room which is known as storehouses. Okay, soldiers have separate barracks. Soldiers also have different rooms. So no worker has ever tried to live in a soldier's house. No soldier has ever gone out searching for food. So everyone does their work, you know, accordingly. Okay, no one interferes in any of their jobs. No worker or soldier or cleaner has ever harmed a grub. So no worker, no soldier, no cleaner ever harmed a grub. So you see, an ant's life is very peaceful. Now, it sounds so strange. They live so peacefully. Each does its share of work intelligently and bravely, and never fights with other members of the group. So, see, as I told you, they never harm their grub. They do their work intelligently and bravely. Okay, no one intervene in any other's work. Okay, so they live very peacefully. The queen is the mother of the entire population of the colony. So the queen is the mother of the entire population of the colony. It lives for about 15 years. It has a pair of wings but bites them off after its wedding flight. Mark till here, student. In next class we shall continue from the next line. Okay, thank you.